Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to monetize your server using Tebex with our monetization tab. So first we're going to click on the start setup process, and then we're going to click on setup Tebex. What this will do is it will send an email to the email that's connected to your Pine account. So go ahead and click that and it will send the email. So the next step will be to actually go to your email and look up for the email that Tebex sent you. And as you can see, you will need to set up an account. So let's go ahead and click on setup account and then click on confirm here. And now you'll be redirected to Tebex's website where you will be required to set up a new password. So let's go ahead and fill that in real quick. And once that's done, click on setup account. And just like that, your account on Tebex is set up fully with all your details. Now, if you go ahead and click on the Projects tab on the top of the page, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. This is where you'll be able to continue the onboarding process, so just click on Continue Setup here. And then here you'll need to accept these terms, so click on the check mark and then Accept Terms. And just like that, you'll be able to see all the details of your shop on this dashboard page. The next step is to actually head back over to our panel and click on Reinstall Plugin. This will actually install automatically the plugin from Tebex into your plugin folder. So if you now go into plugins, you will see that the plugin Tebex plugin is installed on your server. If you want to find the config file for Tebex, if you head into your config folder, you will also see that the Tebex plugin.json is right there, and you'll be able to change multiple things there for your server, like setting up VIP groups. Now we're gonna head back over to our Tebex panel and click on Continue Setup. This will basically show you all the steps you'll need to take in order to make your server shop work. So the first thing we need to do is configure product delivery. So just click on Configure here and then installing the game plugin. You won't actually need to install the plugin as we already did that earlier, but you will need to copy this command here given on step 3. This is your secret Tebex code. Now that we copied this command, we're gonna head back to our panel and go to our console, where we'll be pasting this command we copied into the console itself, and then just press enter. As you can see now from the console, setting up your key was successful. This means that your store and your Rust server are now linked. So if we head back over to our Tebex panel now and here click on continue, it will redirect you to this page where you can also confirm that your server is linked with your shop. To continue setting up our shop, we're gonna click on Continue Setup on the side of the page here, and then we're gonna click on Create a Package to create our first package. Of course, we're gonna need a simple name for it, like VIP, and a simple description, like VIP rank. You can type whatever you want here. And then we're gonna click on the price option and set up a price for our package as well. Of course, there's other things you can do, like Discord actions, if you have a Discord bot, for example. We're done here, so we're gonna click on Create. It looks like our description is a bit short. We're gonna expand it, as well as yellow color in chat. And that should pretty much do it. Okay, again, it looks like we need to set up game server commands here. So before we set up commands to our Tebex panel, it is important to also create a VIP group on our server before we continue. To do that, we're gonna head back to our console and we're gonna need to enter a specific command. So that will be o.group add. And then you're gonna need to pick a name for your VIP group that you're gonna create. We're just gonna go with simple VIP. Don't use any capital letters here. It really doesn't like it when you use capitals, but you can, if you want, use underscores in the names. So we're gonna go with VIP here and just click enter, and you will see that your VIP group was created. Now the next step would be to assign any type of permissions that you want your servers that have this group, that are assigned on this group to have. To do that, we're gonna use another command. This command will be o.grant group, and then the group name, which is VIP. And then we have Quicksmelt installed on this server, so we're gonna use a permission from that plugin, because we would want then our VIP players to have access to this plugin. So we're gonna use quicksmelt.use. And now if we click enter, you will see that the VIP group was granted the permission quicksmelt.use. Now any player that is assigned to this group will automatically have this permission. On our Tebex panel now, we will need to use a different command to assign the player into the VIP group we created earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and paste that in, and then we will need to replace the group name here to VIP. Then if we are going to click on variables here, these are all the variables that you can choose from to apply this package. And we're gonna go with the first one that will be for a specific player. What the command will do basically is they will assign the player into this VIP group we created. So just go ahead and select this entire thing and paste the ID in the correct format. And then just click on create here. And as you can see, our VIP package is finally created. Now we will need, of course, to continue our setup once again. So we're gonna click on provide a store description, and then the next thing is to click on edit here, so you can actually write your description for your shop. We're gonna go with something very simple. And of course, when you're done, click on update here. And now we're gonna click on edit here, and now we're gonna once again click on update at the bottom here. And now this section is done as well. Now if we go back to continue setup, you will need to confirm your customer support contact. So go to checkout settings here and then click on the confirm button to confirm your email. The next step is to set up a wallet. So we're gonna go back again to continue setup and click on set up my wallet. You will need to log into your Tebex wallet. So just click on login. Then we're gonna click on I want to set up my wallet as an individual, and of course you'll need to fill in all your personal details. Once that is done, go ahead and click on complete setup. We will need to complete ID verification, so we're gonna click here and then click on begin. As you can see, we will need here to start the verification and then click on this drop-down menu to select the issue and country of your ID. And then you have a variety of options to pick from. You can go with driver's license or your passport, and you can either upload a photo or take a photo directly from your phone. And now your store is finally set up. You can click on view Webstore here to view your shop actually. If we go here on packages, you can also see that our VIP package is actually right there. You can add it to your basket, but to do that you will need to log in via Steam. So we're gonna go and click on that, and you're gonna have to sign into your Steam account. Now that you're signed in, a player can easily go and proceed on checkout and buy your VIP package by editing all their credit card details. There's a bunch of other things you can edit about your shop. For example, if you go on payments, you can see all payments created ever on your shop. If you go on lookup here under customers, you can look up all the clients you've ever had. And if you go here on project, you can see everything pretty much about billing, emails, and under engagement, you can do sales on your shop. And if you go under web store, you can even change the appearance of your shop if you wish to change the custom template. There is a bunch of options you can choose from. And that's it. That's all you need to do to basically set up a shop using Tebex from your Pine Hosting game panel. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.